All right, almost the last one. Finding x-intercepts. We do know that the y is equal to 0, so we plug that in. Oops. So what we need to do is factor. We have what? X minus 2 and x plus 4. So you get a negative 4 and a positive 2. Remember, you have to set each of those equal to 0 and then solve. So my okay, so we have negative 4 and positive 2. So my vertex is going to have to be on negative 1 somewhere. My axis of symmetry is x is equal to negative 1. So I plug that into my little guy here, negative 1. When I plug that in, that becomes positive 1 minus 2 minus 8. So that's what, negative 9. So we're right down here at negative 9. So I need to plug in some points on either side. I'm going to plug in 0 because it's right next door to it, and I would rather plug in 0 than negative 2 because 0 gives me negative 8. Good to go. Oops. And then I'm also going to plug in 1 instead of negative 3 because that's an easier one as well to plug in. And so I get negative 5, which is here and here. And I've got my graph. That is the very lowest point there, so that is the minimum of what I'm talking about. Alright, let's go ahead and do 5 in the same video. So what could be the equation for this parabola? Well, these guys here are my roots. I have a root at negative 1 and positive 2, which means if I'm going backwards from these things here, I would have x plus 1 and x minus 2. And so if I go backwards even more, I multiply that out, I get x squared minus x minus 2. So this would be an example of a parabola that it could possibly be.